Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this site for Equinox Story House. Strong number them Tori way the meet up with for ground for Tombel, from Bengui, and even for that side self for Lebialem. With the yena palava we gone, it don't holla the whole place. All people they confused. One the day where they don't run come out, like for Tombe, plenty people they don't depart come out for Tombe. After promise say it is so 20 May, it will be now our day. So for inside the same chapter for Bengui side, with the yes in a gone, it wake up people then for bed this early morning time. Oh man, it don't confuse. Tori for this afternoon, we go talk na palava for waiting. Son chief for that side, so where they call the village name say waiting. Village, it then for side for west region, where the chief says he don't run go hide for that side for Yawinde. Waiting, he make that chief for run hide for Yawinde. We go tell on that palava. We go turn back for this palava close where we picking the way and go for school. How they close the day. We go continue for talk with that with Papa. We will be meet up for that side, so for Mongo division. Now so too we go tell una palava unity for inside country. As we Cameroon, it prepare for make mash for 20 May. We don't go turn for Bonaberi. We try for hear from two people them. Waiting they check whether unity is there or unity is no day. We go get the answer for inside Tori this afternoon. Even plus waiting when newspaper themselves they talk we go bring them inside big part talk for this afternoon. Editor we say waiting say na only Baba man where the Baba president he hates, if it Tonton president he hates anyhow. I say na only Baba man where the Baba president he hates, he get right for Tonton president he hates any kind of way where he want do am. Now Abombi Charles manager for that side of Pokumbam is send me big part talk for this afternoon. I return back small time. Very big good afternoon, country people. Them before we enter Sese for touring the proper, just for Sabise Road for place where they call them say Babaju and Bamenda. Yes, that road for Babaju Bamenda. It be blocked this early morning time for Sika accidents will happen. Na moto we carry cement, it make vessels with the motor where it dey so it carry empty bottle them for Mimbo where it jam for that side so for Babaju. So the early morning time 5-7 it be dey very hard for population where they work for that road for continue their work after we two gongo to them, one with cement, another one with empty bottle them where they jam for that side so for road for Babaju. Sabi say work for the road, it never overstay we start, but Poto says a plenty for that side. Inside chapter for Northwest West, as we talk for now, according to Toriwe enter for we here for Tombel. People then for Tombel, they don't do a pack come up for Tombel. After we they hear say at 20 May, it no go fine for them. Toriwe enter to for Bengui side, it talk now the same thing. Yesterday night, plenty going halam, it make people them fear. Even for that side for Lebialem, with the year to say gone, it be hala overnight. So now so palava for prayer for inside country say make peace, it turn back. We go take una go for Yawende now, so we go meet up son chief. Son chief where in name now waiting Jean-Baptiste Mengeni. Yes, he be chief where come up for some village where they call him say Bege. And this chief village now for West region. Waiting happen with this chief and why it run. It go hide now for inside Yawinde. Make we show now the chief face, then we'll start talk the Tori way a day for back the chief. Yes, now the chief that Chief Jean-Baptiste where he says he don't run a village where they call and say Begie, and this village is then for West region. Chief a run village after where he get problem for palava for land. Yes. Palava for land where he talks in as some padiman says he don't come for can't take land more than 20 hectares for land where he can't take where he did so this land even Kunkuma never go ahead even who them, even minister or even any big people them, they never go ahead. But the man he go take land. So on top the land, some court case if he don't pass, chief he win all. Then last court case will come out. Some lawyer man he talks make the cash chief put am from data. One time chief he run comot for a village. He dey na for Yawende now, so he the fear for turn back for a village. And this palava it don't happen since for 1998. For Sika palava for land, chief he no fit turn back for a village. He says he don't turn a refugee for inside Cameroon. For Sika palava for land, he says he don't run comot for a village. As well the talk say make the cash put it from gata. So for Sika the chapter for land. Sabi say person wey chief in the talk say na he the make am say make a run for that side. We be try for talk with he. The padiman he talk say he no one talk anything. Say he land na he land. We go talk this palava for school and the kind uniform them. We close them, we picking them, they the so carry and go for school. Yes, when we don't talk this palava, and we need for so turn back. We want for shine eye for minister way day for palava civic education for young people and for Cameroon and civic education. Sabi say normal, if you no teach Pikin or if you no show example, Pikin he go so for duty way he get for do. Make we go for inside school, then we will turn with inside Mongo division. No be na say na for Lumo will take the photo, but we turn for inside school them. Yes, we go first talk this palava for school first. Yes, the one na school for that side. So for Melon, we will first talk chapter for school for Melon. Where it so the school says up in the back and Kunkumam and in the back minister for primary school book say make they check as well they go come fix this school. This school it then na for side where they call am say Carrefour Abatua quarter 10 from Konsamba side for Mongo division. Pikins they learn na for under some kind condition. Splima dances up e no get time. Zinc e don't open for one side. Sun e dey shine. E knack pikin dey small. When rain e dey fall as well that zinc e open, pikin dey go shift go for one side. So that rain water e no go touch them. But sabi say the rain water go so enter for class. So the pikin dey dey now so even minister for primary school book we dey show all the thing and say wetin make una try for check as way una go help. They say na future leader dem for Cameroon. But even as well they be future leader them. Now when they get for suffer, now it means say if they wake up with the suffer, it means say when they go be big people then tomorrow, now so too they go take all to a day for Sika say they be suffer, that they be small. So early them for that side for Cartier 10, they call her Carrefour Abatua and Konsamba. No be na only governor e get for she don't do make una check says this school as well we hear na school where e dey so e get for do wetin. E get for lookout palava for vote for 2018 because all votes wey e dey pass for that side for quarter 10 for place wey they call am saying Konsamba na for inside this school e dey happen. So this school if you don't get lucky before they wan make vote for 2018 for get new president for country, they go surely come cover the zinc dem. The zinc and Breeze they fight some kind fight wey no man no fit understand. So Breeze e left the zinc some kind of way e go e. Yes, so na the school pikin dem they dey suffer now. There must be for there when sun in the shine, they enter. When rain in the fall, now for the same place. So they the beg. Say make people them for that side. Make they try. They come for can help them. Elite. Una be number one people them. One day when they come up for Konsamba side. Where this side na Yakate. They say the very school. Big people the day when they don't come up for the school. So better. Una turn back. Una go talk. Repe. Tell me.
More. Because we get school picking them for yard. Tower and the fall, they know it not be easy for them for go school. Yes, because of mud. Yes, if you come to help, we only for this small, that one of farm we plenty. We get 3 schools for the quarter. We got École Sebek Mwambo. We get École Nzonji, and we get École Nguafran Bilingual Memorial. We get to some college for the Collège de l'Espérance like. Yes, all that one we see say plenty picking them they come school for the tongue, but root for work are not there. Yes, all that one with the beg say if you go na feel help we small, make them pull we hand only for that plaba root. Plaba water too. We know say plaba water day, but God be blessed. We say we get some small stream water them for quite away the help we time where they record water. Yes, and for light, we picking them way then they upside and be try give we one light. Now the hell we say we simply way we dey put food for night. Yes. So we the Bengom now we bureau the vote that Ecole Sebek the Mambo. How we don't go see them so. We don't know play where we go turn up for go for the year. The year don't come Chakala also. We don't know how I will do. We the beg Monsieur le Maire say track and Siam. Something don't happen for ya. Make and Siam election they come and for day we go vote. We the Bengom now say if they feel me.
So for inside that quarter they get another big problem. They call all the one for Queen Elisa say palava social amenity. Small thing they when governor get for do for all people them or even mayor them if they get the right for do palava for light inside this quarter where they call them to say abattoir. Now the same thing where we go enter for them also for talk light na big trouble. I say light na big trouble for inside the quarter. Even as a rope in the past, sipo it don't rot in also it don't fall lock hole. I say it don't fall a lock roads. And how this thing the day? How this thing the day? Rope them, they draw the dance for road. They the dance go for up, dance go for down. No man, they no get time for can look at the rope them. And the quarter plenty picking the day. One way they go school, even big man self, this rope, if it turn so it show you pepper. But they know the look at them. People the way they look at this palava for light, their own work now for can give be. After all, when they give and they go can pay, if you no fix them, no nothing. See as well picking the job put their head, pass for under rope way current they pass on that side. And when current pass now in knock one picking. That time na ambulance and we want the one go do to it they never ever do am before. Now when the thing is there for small level they need to ever check am for year and Cameroon if something never ever kill man they no go ever take am serious. Yes, something never kill man or some person never hear bad for some side they no go ever take am serious. Water too another big problem for abattoir. You where you no get place where if you keep your water or you no get borehole. Forget, you must go carry water for small water them. Where they dey for inside that quarter. Like this pikin don't go carry own. So all the one they saw. Now small problem they will come now. And even people the way they come up for that side. They don't get for the lookup. So that things they go they happen. Fine for them. Inside school we talk this palava for uniform. They kind of way we picking the soldier uniform them. They kind of way na other kind. Uniform, if you see Pikini go so uniform, oh, he cash he food fine, he cash he show fine, he want show waiting. You go buy clothes, he cash all your skin fine. You want show na waiting. Na fashion, you want learn fashion for fashion, you or na you the fashion. Make we enter. Inside Mongo division, for roads, we turn sitting them. But we go for school, na school, see skirt for Pikin. This skirt, if we look and fine, some people will talk say na style. Style for sketch where you do some kind of thing so all thing the show for outside. Yes, see trousers for young boy. See as well trousers he carry thing he go for school. The skirt say for ngondere them. Then say their own he no can find. The skirt they dey for some kind of level. See the one. He don't put in they don't put whether na book them for a pocket oh. He don't tight all. The one he own say if that take say move and see ngondere own trousers. You decide so he tight. All the things they show you, the carry and go so you want go show now waiting. Minister for palava picking them and civic education. Una need for knock hand for table for the kind of thing them. All the things they show na thing way it is poor with picking them. No the go school go learn. I bet drive them. Now which kind of close be that? When they say make they so close way he empty small. See the one he own. You see him? After all the testing a fashion. A swag for who? It is swag for who? So I beg una send them for outside. Send them for answer one time. No be na the kind clothes and this. Base all people them, even minister they say they get for she done. We'll talk the palava fine. They be don't first sign book. 3 ministers they be join. It don't stay. After that they will see gendarme people them they be the child for respect commander. Since that time, it don't finish. And that's why we picking the social wear some kind of clothes and go school. Some kind of clothes and go school. One for college, one for university, even big people themselves now so. Mami go carry clothes when a small picking girl for wear and put them for skin. He want show say he dey for fashion. Rubbish. Repeat every talk. Now we get for look at the picking them. Na mami them or na teacher them. Answer that question first.
Now papa for us, them be number one for down mistake. Because now papa is the first teacher for Pekin. Papa parent, now them be first teacher for Pekin. That was Pekin there for us. We let Pekin come out with anything on any clothes. It will go anyhow. Once now teacher for school, you must come when you work. That way Pekin don't come out for us, you go for school. Or not, or you say Pekin, they don't post Pekin for upside. Because school guy on the reglement. They don't post school for upside after Pekin not to go school again. But that way don't come for us, we not tell him nothing. The first teacher for Pekin now parent for us. For school teacher, they will see if you Pekin the respect the reglement interior, they will leave you. If you don't respect the reglement interior, they will pull you out. No teacher, they will make work for Papa them.
So, country people them inside the same palaver, so the talk for these arrangements will be asked that repair now. So, Jackie no Molombi put it talk for that repair more, will be the one try for ask repair say, make true, if he say now waiting, it don't make a way picking the now, they wear some kind of clothes, them. Repair answer with that question.
WhatsApp, Facebook, all that thing, the support we picking now. Don't think not a thing for small picking them. But don't see small picking so you don't get safe, then buy a telephone and give you. They take telephone for mama, they go for inside, begin see all bad thing where they don't see them. Now all that thing, picking there for salon for night. Papa don't sleep, begin to see tele. All that thing not fine. Now all that thing make sure them picking at the spoil. Parents they must control picking for us. Now parents they be first responsible for picking for us. After for school, teacher then continue that work.
Okay, we don't hear. Chapter go continue. Make we enter for small religion small. Yes. I for Papa for Roma. His Lordship Julio Murat. When apostolic nuncio for Cameroon, they don't give correct cam good for inside Cameroon yesterday. Julio Murat, he can't take na chair from his Lordship Piero Piopo, where himself said if he don't walk like an eye for Papa for Roma for year. Julio Murat, una sabi say they begin appoint na inside last month. After we Monseigneur, or as well they call him his Lordship Piero Piopo, he own time for this side, he finished. So now yesterday, father them, bishop them, for inside Cameroon, they meet up with he for that side for Yawende. Now for talk say waiting, come good, his Lordship Julio Murat. Sabi say this man, he go the work for Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea. Now he say now he be eye for Papa for Roma, for Equatorial Guinea and inside Cameroon. And he enter for Cameroon at time where Palava for Northwest, he don't wrong. Sote he come be the SSF. They don't already write big letter for talk say make all the thing he finish. But he go finish now how? Then say they don't talk say if na say make they sit down for one table, talk this talk, they go she don't talk. So Julio Murat come good and sabi say Cameroon na better land. We go take una now so talk chapter for peace and unity for inside country. We dey talk palava national unity. We dey talk palava waiting. We dey also talk palava national unity. We be go turn for that side for Bonaberi. Yes, we turn for inside Bonaberi. Why we go for Bonaberi? Now for Sika say Bonaberi na place where plenty people they mix. No Anglophone, no Francophone, no Bamileke, no Bamenda. No, nothing. No. Na place where all man he mix, he dey do a binet. We enter for inside Bonaberi. Na dey where all thing he dey waka fine. Na him say wetin? No man he no get no palava. We say make we turn enter for some small road them. Better road them. We make yourself for that side, he don't dey work the road them very well. But for inside Bonaberi, say we try for turn for check this palava. National unity as we May 20 say it come for Sunday. And sabi say for inside Bonaberi as I talk, you no get no ban way you talk say na Bamileke or na Basa or na this. No. All man for day na Cameroon. They need to talk say some person na Anglophone or another person in a Francophone. So Bonaberi as well we see am na place where you get plenty people them inside. just as we different side dem fit get am, but na Bonaberi wey inside Douala e get plenty of the people dem for the two different places. So we go tonton for day, no be na just empty tonton. We wan come back, we be come back with some answer dem for our question wey make am we tonton for inside Bonaberi. Yes, Bonaberi for inside Douala 4. First person wey we meet up am, he talk na small thing, but na very thing wey make sense. Repe, national unity e dey for country, answer direct.
Cameroon get unity. The unity is still there. Many people don't mix, like the Francophone married Anglophone, the Yaoundé man married Bamileke, or Bamenda man married Douala.
Okay, national unity day. Mami, national unity day country, answer.
United now, we not be united. You know the years they kill brother them for Northwest, Southwest. Oh, we be united like they know they kill them so no.
Mami get answer, Papa get answer. So Mami, you don't talk say the key people them say that one no make and say peace day. So what is the tongue now?
Arrange make country be fine. May they stop all that thing, make country day as the day before. When they fix them, maybe all country go day fine. All man go laugh now.
So all we will also enter for inside one thing say waiting. Make all thing be fine and na for fix that one. For fix them, na for bring people them for one chair for answer this thing. So Sabi say charity must to ever start for house. Now I mean say if you want talk different man, you want look something for outside. Some big part talk they say if some dirty enter your eye, try so tell you comot that dirty for your eye before you want comot BB one way a day for your neighbor. So for inside house SSM, big man Oga Severin Chinke, he be comot for your office yesterday. Yes, no na all time we dey see big man for office. We need to see big man anyhow. But when he comot for office, Sabi say he don't can do some better work for outside. For inside Tori house SSM, big man he be comot for outside. And he comot for do wetin? Julinge, congratulate. They give better price for say wetin he do the best woman program. Fravem Balondongo, he says he began at 2 prize for Palava Health where he make am. Esther Maye, he too he get 2 prize for best Ngondere where he knack more plenty for inside the program them, and best Ngondere way when he did knack program. He did talk plenty and he did sape fan, he did wear fan clothes. So he too he get 2 things them. Mimi Mefo, the best story Ngondere for inside Equinox and for inside Cameroon 2017. For Kako Sesep is also give another number 2 prize. Best woman where he did sabi for knack Tori fan. So he won he get 2 prize. That one a Bibi Pacha. Then congratulate anyhow. Another person where they give prize, they call her Nahu. Cedric Nufele. Yes, he too he get first prize for people that they do the Cadence Martina. You see, I'm Cedric Nufele like that. Cedric Nufele get prize for best story man where the knack Tori. Cadence Martina, Glagla, the best program for morning time where they make people they enjoy for morning time. So we get other prize. So big man, he come up for can give you congratulate. Then Sabi say Equinox Story House says after all the one man prize, Equinox Story House, the scoop award, he give Equinox Story House the best story house for inside 2017. Where he know the go for bush, and he talk Tori straight. So the scoop says he give best story house for Equinox Story House for the better work where they do for 2017. Now all the prize and that way big man he talk say he no fish done for your office. Then he no come meet up, he give congratulate. After all man he turn up for one family photo. So now they come out that way big man Oga Severin Chunke he come out and he don't talk say that work he must to go for before. The work he must to go for before. When they give for 2017, make you better than for 2018. Go again for before for 2019. Before again for 2010. So now so we go the work. Make we enter for Toriwe newspaper then say the talk this afternoon. The post weekend away day for Asa on the people them it tell we as we head boy for police 2 Kamamburu all them sleep straight for that side where they call them say Oshie. Now for Norwest. So for inside the post weekend you go read order to read them. Order to read them where it concern Palava nation. People them way it dey so they begin to cheer them. Senate people them and all people there, they be get to check them. As well they don't decide say they go sit down outside, they concentrate for Senate work. They post weekend they get that answer. Now so today they tell we palava for waiting, palava for Norwest away. They say some pastor they say they don't go now so work in no day for seeker this palava for Norwest and Southwest. All man it is quality. So pastor they prayer. Hey hallelujah, amen, hallelujah, amen. We no day again for them. Pastor they don't go now so money no they enter for church. So for inside the post weekend away day for outside, you go read other small to read them. Where they tell we as we CPD and big man say for that side something will happen for them and other small thing there for Norwest and Southwest. The post weekend it gets other to read them plus other one for inside them. Make we take on now enter for La Nouvelle Expression way day for outside. Nouvelle Expression way day for outside. It take we go for that side for Norwest. For tell we say waiting. Philemon Yang he don't kick our foot again for that side. Sabi say pa Philemon Yang Oga Prime Minister a day for Bamenda since for Monday na for see as we go sensitize people them and for talk for them say it dey so national unity and Gando too it must to pass. But Sabi say all the time we Yang Philemon a day for Bamenda na so country Sunday it don't meet up and even the kind in the way it dey pass for inside Bamenda. So again now another big fail according to Nouvelle Expression where Yang Philemon it don't fail. For Palava exam for inside lawyer people them, La Nouvelle Expression, it tell we say head boy for bar people them, nye kamgam, it don't talk say waiting. Say all picking the way they fail, it no be dey na pasha for that exam way pass. Pierre Semenge says he talk plenty for La Nouvelle Expression, for Palava and Dambam, for inside country. We enter now so for inside emergence paper way day for outside. For inside emergence paper for today, palava for Norwest and Southwest, they talk as we waiting. Even big people they now so for country, them. Finally, at last, they don't see the kind what thing them two way Kamamburu people them they do am. Sabi say the one na after way Oga Minister for Defense Joseph Betty Asomo in na comfortable for talk say Kamamburu people the way they do that kind of way worker for social media, they go give them small cassingo. Inside emergence too, you go read Tori where it concern Palava SDF as well SDSSF it the vex plenty for people the way they so they the one disturb their party people them for that side so for west region for country. Other Tori the day where emergence newspaper it carry am. Poku newspaper says it day for outside today. Popoli it tell we palava as inside showbiz. This palava people there they did not mutumu. Charlotte Dipanda and they talk say waiting it makes Charlotte Dipanda for be waiting way day today. They try for enter for nakwida to the fan for inside Charlotte Dipanda a palava. Sabi say nouvelle Poku newspaper says we day for outside. It's also tell we other small to read them way in the talk palava for waiting. Palava for new I for Papa for Roma where it don't enter for inside Cameroon. So now all the to read them that country people them where we come be them for newspaper site they talk for we. Now it's just for Sabi same we go enter small back for inside chapter for Norwest and Southwest. We go talk palava this young boy where they call it say Ekwagede Michael. Young boy na the boy that na second year picking for inside and set for Kumba according to Toriwe enter for we EM. Ekwagede Michael they say na Kamamburu people them motorway carry pick the boy for that side so for Kumba General Hospital. Since that time family they don't define this boy and a boy way they so they just come out for operating for a heart where he get for take medicine all time since the family Ekwade the family he never fit for see this their pikin Ekwade the Michael where they talk say na Kamamburu people them they take and put them for inside their motor reports it don't be for governor office for Southwest SDA office two for that side so for Kumba but so now even prison them they don't turn for find the boy we get for take medicine all time they never so see him. So family in the back say any person we don't see this photo and this boy made a try for meet up with them for sicker say the boy na sick person. So country people them now so we see country for this halftime for today. Make una sabi say Tori it continue for this side so for Equinox Tori house. We dey na for bring na Tori as well the pass for outside. Big thank you for all na don she done. If you the chop, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time when in knock for 8 o'clock. Una hold am tight.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.